Hi guys, in this video I am going to clarify about the fracture. Fracture is also one of the physical properties comes under mineralogy. Fracture, the nature of the broken surface of the mineral other than the direction of cleavage is called fracture. There are several types of fractures are there. One is conchoidal, that shows concave surface. Second is subconchoidal, and third is even, and the fourth is uneven. Even, uneven, conchoidal, subconchoidal. And also we can add one more fracture, that is Hackley. The best example for conchoidal is plagioclase, jasper, and quartz. In the plagioclase and jasper, we can see the clear concave surface. When we break the mineral, that shows the fractures that breaks like the conchoidal structure is called as conchoidal fracture. Subconchoidal, the best example is the feldspars that shows the subconchoidal. Sometimes the plagioclase also shows subconchoidal. Even surface. Even. Even means the plane surface. When mineral breaks with smooth and regular flat surface is called as even. When we break the mineral, the best example you can see orthoclase. When we break the mineral, the even surfaces will form in the in this mineral you can see. And next, in the calcite, I'll show the calcite. In calcite, even faces will be developed when we break the mineral. See, guys, this is the calcite mineral. When we break this mineral, the even face will be developed in this. And next is uneven. When mineral breaks with a rough and irregular shape is called as uneven. The best example is magnesite and bauxite, and the quartz is these shows uneven fractures. And Hackley, this fracture you will find in the asbestos mineral, because of the presence of fibers, this asbestos mineral will not break easily. Instead of breaking into two pieces, some portion will come out whenever we try to break it, and hitting on this mineral, that some portion will come out, but this will not entirely break and break into two pieces is called as Hackley. When mineral breaks with irregular shape with sharp and jagged elevation, something come out from the outside the original shape is called a jagged elevation. Example, the native copper, asbestos are the best example for the Hackley. And next property is tenacity. Tenacity is the resistance that a mineral offered to mechanical deformation or disintegration when the mineral is submitted to bending, breaking, crushing, or cutting. There are different types of tenacities, as the brittle, sectile, malleable, ductile, flexible, elastic. So these are some tenacity terms we are using. Just I'll tell that the examples for these terms. Best example for brittle is pyrite and fluorite. For sectile, gypsum. For malleable, silver or native copper, gold. Ductile, this property also belongs only to native metals only, like the copper, gold, silver. Flexible, example is talc. Elastic, muscoate and biotite, mica. So this is about the fractures and tenacity. Thank you guys.